again. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and there's going to be a lot of fun, RC fun today. Let's get rolling. So today, like the last video, I'm going to be in and out of frame a bit, because something's going to be sitting down, because we also have a new tripod. Second time we're featuring it in a video. So I'm sometimes going to be in and out. We have a brand new ramp. No, it's not brand new, like, I like making stuff, so I made this. This is really cool. Beep, 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 beep. Right there. And then, guys, so with your RC cars, do not try this at home, okay? Like, if you have RC cars, precious RC cars, and you don't want to break them, don't try this at home. Would you like an example of what you shouldn't do? Is this.
That's why you shouldn't do that.
Yeah. Now,
Can I try one?
yeah. Now I'm going to hand it over to Daddy so he can have a go at the ramp, and I hope you all enjoy. Let's go.
Let's see. That goes okay, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was okay, actually. Not just okay, that was really good. I can go faster though.
You wanna try it?
Yeah. Yeah. Nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now it's over to me. Now, one thing I would like to do is... So, now what we're going to do is... I just did it there so I can go a bit faster. But,
I think it's too steep to go too quickly.
yeah. Yeah, so I'm not going to go that fast, but I want to give myself a bit of room.
Amazing.
Thank you.
You think it doesn't work in reverse?
Oh, let's try reverse. Oh, okay, steering's reversed. Steering's reversed. I guess, what do you think? I think the steering's reversed. What do you think?
I think the steering is in reverse because it's reverse.
Oh my god.
Can I try it?
Yeah? That's Daddy in the controls. Oh, best yet.
Yeah, but we have to straighten it up.
That's where I come in. So got a little on straight.
Comes in.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What did we break?
Uh-oh, guys. Guys, did you notice this? Uh-oh. This is not good. Guys, body. Ah.
How did you break the body?
How did I? I thought we were filming a video together, but I think it flipped round and well, I think I found a weak point. BSD Racing bodies, if you're watching, please reinforce this area of the body. It's prone to break. We'll leave that like that. Yeah, just, we put that there. Nothing ever happened. that won't stop her. Ooh! Looks to me like my RC car brought along a friend. What do you think, guys? You like my RC car souvenir? So now it's run out of battery, but all of you, make sure you like and subscribe and wait till the next video. I hope you enjoyed and look forward to the next one.